So Siri is the personal digital assistant built into your Mac. Instead of clicking and dragging and typing, you can simply use your voice to get a lot done. So to activate Siri, the main way to do it is to click the Siri button right here at the top right corner. And then you can simply speak. So a simple example would be to get the weather. Weather.
It's currently clear and 72 degrees.
Now when you get information like this, you can usually click on it to get more information. So in this case it's going to take you to a web page. Other times it may take you to a specific app. You can use Siri with your productivity apps. For instance, to add a reminder, you could go to the Reminders app, add a new one, and type in the reminder. But you can also use Siri to do it. Remind me to turn on the sprinklers tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Okay, added.
So you can see how it adds it here. If it didn't get it quite right, because Siri isn't perfect and doesn't always understand every single thing you say, you can always click change
What do you want
here.
to change it to?
8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Okay. It's set for tomorrow at 8 a.m.
So you can see how easy that was. I can click on that and it will actually take me to the reminder so I can edit it further or just verify that it's correct. You can get more specific. See how I've got a grocery shopping list here? I can add to that as well. I don't need to have reminders open, but I'll leave it open so you can see it in action. Add ice cream to my grocery shopping list.
Okay, added.
You can also use it to create a new note. Create a new note.
What do you want it to say?
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay. I've created your note. It's called The Quick Brown Fox Jumps Over the Lazy Dog.
So I can click on the note now and go to it. You can also create calendar events. Schedule lunch with John tomorrow at noon.
Which John?
John Smith.
Just to confirm, do you want to send John an invitation?
No.
No problem, I won't. Lunch is scheduled for noon to 1 p.m. tomorrow. It's on your personal calendar.
So you can see here I can click and then go to that if I want. You can use it with messages as well. Send a message to Joe.
What do you want to say?
Hello.
Do you want to change it or send it?
Send.
It's sent.
You can also use it to simply launch apps. Launch Safari. Siri can do math for you as well. 15 plus 4 divided by 3.
It's approximately 16.3333.
Or you can do conversions. What is 100 euros in dollars?
It's $100.12.
What is 13 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
55.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
Convert 45 miles per hour to kilometers per hour.
That would be 72.42 kilometers per hour.
You can also have it play music in the music app. Play Nowhere Man.
Here's Nowhere Man.
Or you can have it just get information for you on the web. What's the highest point in North America?
The answer I found is Denali.
There are preferences for Siri in System Settings and then go to Siri and Spotlight. Here you can turn on Listen For and then the two words Hey and Siri. If you turn that on, you no longer have to click here to activate Siri. You can just say these two words and then what you want. You can also set a keyboard shortcut, and there are a few defaults, but you can also customize one to activate Siri. You can set Siri's language. You can select a voice here.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
There are a few different ones to choose from. Also, if you click here, you can turn off voice feedback. So you'll still visually see the results, but you won't hear Siri speak anymore. It's really useful if you're in, say, an office environment and you don't always want your computer talking to you. You can also go to Accessibility, and there's a section under General for Siri, and you can turn on Type to Siri. Now when you activate Siri, you have to type instead of talk.
It's currently clear and 73 degrees.
So you can combine that with the setting to silent Siri, so you can have a completely silent experience typing to ask Siri something and just getting the response visually on the screen.